I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quiche without crust. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 large eggs, 1 cup of milk or cream, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Don't forget your favorite fillings, perhaps some cooked spinach, mushrooms, or ham. Lightly grease a 9-inch pie plate or an 8 by 8-inch baking dish to ensure your quiche doesn't stick. Now, let's combine everything. In a large bowl, whisk the 6 eggs with the 1 cup of milk or cream until well blended. Add a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for seasoning. Gently fold in your 1 cup of shredded cheese and any pre-cooked fillings you've chosen. Pour this delicious mixture into your prepared baking dish, spreading the fillings evenly. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your baking dish into the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is beautifully golden brown and the center is set. A knife inserted into the middle should come out completely clean, indicating perfect doneness. Once baked, resist the urge to cut into it immediately. Let your quiche cool for about 10 minutes. This allows it to set properly, making for cleaner slices. Serve warm and enjoy this versatile, protein-packed meal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Feel free to get creative with your fillings next time, trying different cheeses, herbs, or vegetables for new flavor combinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.